Thanks for joining this webinar. My name is Steph, Marcon of Advantech. As we know, AIoT and revolutionary innovation are transforming the world. In this webinar, we invite two experts dedicated in logistics markets, Angus Shi, Business Development Manager, and David Young, Product Manager of Advantech, to share us a sneak peek of new paths to intelligent logistics.
Hi, it's Angus. So based on intelligent logistics, SRP are focusing on three categories. The first of all is about vehicle. The second of all is about the people. Then the third of all is about the asset and goods. Okay. So based on the vehicle, also it has two categories, which the first of all is about the off-road vehicle solution, especially for the heavy duty port and the warehouse. Okay, so based on this infrastructure of this environment and solution, it relies on fully ruggedized panel PC to fulfill the functionality. So you can see that basically it's about IP6566 protection. The second of all, it's about the anti-collision of the front panel. The third of all, it's about the power module design for the rush, voltage, and the current. So based on the fully ruggedized panel PC to fulfill this functionality. And the second part of the vehicle management is about the on-road vehicles, such as transportation of the bus or the like ambulance, taxi. So it's like a vehicle to the internet concept. So based on the all-in-one computer of Advantech solution, you can combine all the solution integrated into one computer. So you can use the CAN bus to retrieve the data from vehicle. Also, you can rely on the GPS, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth to collect the positioning of the location, also send that back to the cloud platform. So that's gonna be handy, and the integrity of the integration to avoid that several devices to be integrated, especially for the compatibility. The second part is about the people management. So especially for the vehicle driving, so people management would be the significant important for the driving safety. So based on this, nowadays we have three intelligent cameras. So the first of all, it's about the front collision avoidance camera, which is able to detect the lane detection. Also, it's able to detect the front object of the vehicle of the distance. So you can base on this to give the drivers warning if the lane has been changed or the distance is too short to avoid the collision. The second thing is about the blind spot detection. So the blind spot detection is able to detect the 180-degree view of the image. So it's able to detect moving object instead of the traditional camera only for viewing. The third camera is about the driver behavior management, which is able to detect the driver's face, especially for the eyelids for the sleeping, also for the distraction of the driving from the driver. Besides, it's able to detect the eating, also talking on the phone. So this is the technology based on the video image to process and to give the event alert to the driver real time. Also give the event to the backend platform and the managers in real time as well. Okay. Then the last part, it's about the asset and the goods management. So also, we can base on the portable solution and the devices to manage and to improve the efficiency and improve the correction of the process. So first of all, we can see this is about the barcoding, which is the wearable device, especially for the workers to wear this barcoding on the finger and to scan the barcode by this device. So which gives the handy and the hands-free concept to the worker to improve the efficiency. Second of all, you can base on kind of this portable tablet solution, 8-inch, 10-inch, also with the fully ruggedized PWS tablet to fulfill different types of the field side service. Okay, so they can fulfill all the service by digitalization. The last part is about the ultra-wideband technology. So about the ultra-wideband technology, we can base on this infrastructure to fulfill the high precision location indoor, inside of the house. So we can set up the ultra-wideband access point to be paired with the text. Then we can fulfill the precision about 30 centimeters accuracy. Then you can base on this positioning to fulfill the indoor navigation, or you can use this to fulfill the indoor to be located by the text.
Hello everyone, I'm David, and today in here I want to talk about our driving safety solutions. And at first, from this panel, we have 3 intelligent video analysis cameras. At first, I want to let you know this camera, track 130, and this camera is facing the front. If you drive too close to the front car or change line without the turn signal, this system will give you alert, and then will send this alert to the back end, okay, simultaneously. And then here you can see we have a camera, so I want to make a demonstration here. Okay, on this screen you can see this camera is detecting the distance and the sideline. Okay, and second I want to talk about this camera. We call it driver behavior recognition, and this camera is facing the driver. If the drivers eat food, sleep, use cell phone, or lose focus while driving, and the system will give you alert as well and send this alert to the back end simultaneously to let your supervisors or your customers know this situation. Okay, so here I want to do a demonstration to let you know how it works. Okay, try to imagine I am a driver and I'm driving. I'm going to use the cell phone while driving. Okay.
Please do not use a cell phone when driving.
Okay, I'm going to lose focus while driving.
Please keep your eyes on the road.
Okay, you can see our system will not only give you the alert, but also let you know what the specific abnormal driving behavior you did. Okay, and the last one I want to talk about this camera. This camera is looking around the vehicle. If there is anything approaching your car, and then the system will give you an alert to avoid accident. Okay, so I want to let you know the. Okay, you can see I'm going. Okay, it will show you alert. And here I think some of you guys are curious about this screen, so please look at that device. That device, we call it LiDAR, and it can detect the distance of the surrounding object. So you can see it is very sensitive. Okay, and we think it will replace the cameras, but today this device is a little bit expensive, so I think it will be the next generation product. In here, I want to talk about cold chain solution. At first, try to imagine when you went to a supermarket or a pharmacy to take a fresh food from fridge. It was cold, right? Of course, because you just took it from a fridge. But have you ever thought about 2 days ago, 2 hours ago? No? Yeah, so I think this is a brutal fact. We don't know about the status of this product 2 hours or 2 days ago. I think even store owner doesn't know as well. Okay, so what we want to deliver is a seamless cold chain management. So from this panel, you can see the structure of our cold chain solution. At first, our check 120 will send the data to the gateway by LoRa in real time. And the gateway will pass the data to the cloud by internet, like 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi LAN in real time. And if you are a manager, you can see the whole situation of your cold chain in real time through a browser or a mobile app, okay? And this is the crux of our cold chain solution, Check 120. This is a wireless sensor. And the first feature is to have a battery inside. And this battery is very special. It can work in a low temperature for a long time. For example, if you set every 10 minutes to record data and send the data to the cloud, and then put it in a frozen area. Frozen, I mean minus 20 degrees. Then it can work at least 1 year, okay? And second, it has two communication, LoRa and NFC. LoRa is a low power and long range communication, and LoRa radiation can pass through some metals and concrete wall. So it is very suitable for these applications, okay? And then NFC, the data will not only sent out by LoRa, but also stored in this sensor. So you can just use an Android device with NFC function to download it, okay? And third, this is a temperature and humidity sensor, okay? Why humidity? Because we know some products also care about humidity, like coffee, fruits, vegetable, or wine, okay? The last one, this is an industrial product, so IP65 and 4-feet drop resistance. Okay. After that, I want to let you know we have a dashboard right now on WestPass, and we put some sensors in this campus. And on this panel overview, you can see the status of different area. You can see the sensor quantity and normal or abnormal. And here you can see the locations and the status of each one. And the following part, this is our alarm analysis. So you can see the alarm quantity, chain, and the distribution. Thank you.
Thank you, Davey. Now is the Q&A section. Now you are welcome to type any questions.
Bus drivers, securing passenger safety can be challenging. On the road, danger can appear in the blink of an eye, particularly in busy cities where traffic congestion and overcrowding are common. In Taipei City alone, approximately 1,400 bus accidents were reported in 2016. The main reason for these accidents was driver distraction. Advantech's driving safety solutions are designed to ensure driver and passenger safety. The multifunctional driver behavior recognition module can detect driver drowsiness and distraction.
Please do not use a cell phone when driving. Please pay attention to the road. Please do not eat when driving.
The forward collision avoidance module helps prevent unintended lane departures and forward collisions. The vehicle-grade, ultra-wide, 180-degree blind spot detection module monitors for blind spots. All data is then sent to the back-end center for real-time monitoring of driver behavior, vehicle status, and GPS positioning to facilitate fleet management.
它装了这个延滑的设备之后，在转弯处如果有人接近或机车接近，它都有提示告知，然后这一点是相当对于我们大型公车在行车安全有很大的帮助。就是这个前面的那个 camera 就是会告知，然后在影像上面会告知说前方大概有车子了，有行人了。公车要进站的时候，如果有摩托车强行要通过，这套系统会告知，而且会哔哔的响。这套设备里面也有那个影像可以告知。
Advantech's uninterruptible cold chain solution is based on the TREC 530 compact in-vehicle computing gateway. The device's ergonomic design and easily connected power and LAN cables enable rapid installation for convenient deployment. Designed for temperature and humidity monitoring, TREC 120 cold chain sensors can also be integrated with an NFC reader in less than 5 seconds to support additional applications. Moreover, TREC 120 cold chain sensors can be easily and flexibly installed using an adhesive backing or magnets. The added inclusion of low-Ra technology ensures excellent signal penetration, even at long ranges and through metal and other obstacles. After data acquisition, all cold chain data can be visualized and analyzed on the Advantech WisePaaS platform to enable real-time management. Managers can use web-based dashboards to obtain a comprehensive overview of the temperature, humidity, and key performance indicators. If abnormalities are detected, the system will emit alarm notifications. By providing real-time data and insights for improving operations, Advantech's uninterruptible cold chain solution helps reduce food wastage and ensure food safety.
Thank you for your time today. In January 16 to 18, we will have Advantech Service IoT World Partner Conference. We will show you our competence and solutions in device on, industrial app, edge solution, and video AI. Welcome to join us.
AIoT technologies are changing the world. In service industries like healthcare, public services, retail, and logistics, the demand of connected devices and vertical solutions is growing.
Advantech shows industrial solutions,
AI prediction and facial recognition
to optimize workflow and productivity.
And our competence,
including device on,
HSRP, industrial app.
So there is one event you shouldn't miss in 2020.
It's IoT World Partner Conference.
From January 16th to 18th at Linkou, Taipei.
Please join us.
Join us. 欢迎参加。ご参加をお待ちしております。
Acompáñanos.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Please join us and see you in Taipei.